after the mega mandate for the BJP in Odisha, the suspense continues over who will be the chief minister, and there will be a key BJP huddle shortly to decide who is the next Odisha chief minister, the first BJP chief minister of the state. Rajnath Singh has touched down there in Odisha. You can see those images on your screens of the grand welcome that was accorded to him. He is, of course, the observer for the state right now, who will chair a meeting in which a decision will be taken on who will be the chief minister of the state. There are 5 names doing the rounds right now, 5 contenders for the top post in Odisha. But knowing the BJP, you can never really guess who exactly it could be. I want to bring in Hrithik Mondal on this broadcast. He's joining us live from Bhubaneswar. Hrithik, any details that you're able to pick up on who really has the lead at this point to become the next chief minister? We understand that the Central Observer team is now touched down there.
Definitely, as we speak, we just can see that Rajnath Singh has just arrived over here at the BJP headquarters here in Bhubaneswar. Now this crucial legislative meeting is going to take place. There are several names are taking round as the next chief minister of Odisha. Among them, Suresh Pujari and Manmohan Samal, who is the current the state president of Bharatiya Janata Party over here. These, they are the front runner, what we do believe, but there are several other, mamas over here that several other names of top leaders of Bharatiya Janata Party that can, who can be announced as the next chief minister. We spoke to Suresh Pujari just a while back from now. He stated that the final decision will be taken right after this crucial meeting. But we can see behind me, I request my camera person to pan his camera and show how huge number of spectators and supporters have gathered over here for this meeting. Remember, this is the first time Bharatiya Janata Party, backed this state with a thumping majority. Now everything will be decided over this meeting, and what we do believe that they will move to Raj Bhavan shortly after this conclusion of this meeting. But tomorrow, definitely, the swearing-in ceremony will be taking place over here. All preparations are underway. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah will be as the chief guest of that event, and several other state chief ministers have been invited for that meeting. But Suresh Pujari already told India Today that he also approached to the opposition party leaders of Odisha, including Naveen Patnaik, as invitee of this event. So what all eyes are fixed to.
So
this
there's the swearing-in time. The swearing-in ceremony will take place tomorrow evening at about 5-ish. That's confirmed. But who's taking oath? We still don't know. Hrithik, stay with me. I'm going to come back to you for all of the updates that you're getting us from the ground. But let's tell you about the contenders right now. BJP, of course, has got that huge, massive mandate in Odisha, but still a big question mark or who will be the chief minister. There's just about 24 hours to go for the swearing-in ceremony, and the BJP will be coming together in a huddle to go ahead and take a call. Who is in the running to be the next chief minister? Mohan Charan Majhi, Rabi Narayan Naik, Suresh Pujari, Manmohan Samal and Girish Murmu. These are the 5 names doing the rounds right now. The BJP legislature party in Odisha will meet today to elect its leader and the state's new chief minister. The Central Observers, as we just told you, have also touched down in Bhubaneswar. Just to recap for you the mandate that the BJP received, they managed to secure a majority by winning 78 seats in the 147-member Odisha Assembly. In the Lok Sabha election of Odisha, it was an absolute sweep by the BJP. They bagged 20 out of the 21 seats.
राजनाथ सिंह के मिला हूँ, पहले बार नहीं मिला हूँ, बहुत बार मिला हूँ। वो जब राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष थे, उस समय प्रदेश का अध्यक्ष था, उनको रिसीव किया सम्मान के साथ और वेलकम किया।
आपका नाम चल रहा है सीएम के लिस्ट में, कैसे देख रहे हैं इसको पूरे विषय में?
पार्टी को फैसला करने दीजिए, पार्टी सर्वोपरि, केंद्रीय नेतृत्व जो भी फैसला करेंगे हम सब उसको मानेंगे।
आप मुस्कुरा रहे हैं, इसका मतलब आपको कुछ बताया क्या?
मैं रोना कभी आप मेरे को देखे थे?
अब वक्त है उस नेता के चयन की। उड़ीसा एक नए राजनीतिक दिशा की तरफ बढ़ रहा है। क्या लगता है किसको बनना चाहिए मुख्यमंत्री उड़ीसा के?
देखिए, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी है और जिसे भी हमारी पार्टी चाहेगी हम उसे अपना नेता मानेंगे, इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं है। जो भी आएगा वो उड़ीसा से होगा और हमारा नेता होगा।
Let's bring in Ritik Mondal once again on this broadcast. Ritik, so in the BJP meeting today, there's expected to be some sort of clarity. 5 contenders, 5 names doing the rounds. What exactly do these leaders have in their favor? What are your sources telling you at this point? Is there one leader who's favored to really take over as the chief minister?
Definitely, there are 2 names particularly as per the sources inside BJP Odisha is concerned, that we are told that Suresh Pujari, who is a sitting MLA over here, he is one of the front runner for the CM post. Another is current, the party president Manmohan Samal, who has defeated in this particular election. But also the central leaders they are also considering his name as the CM face. Remember, Suresh Pujari, once he was worked as a bureaucrat at Modi's Prime Minister, as Narendra Modi, when he was the Chief Minister of Gujarat. So, and party is keeping a high hope, particularly, spectators over here, they are keeping a high hope with the name of these 2 leaders. And let me take you through with these visuals that we can see a huge hustle and bustle are taking place around here when the top leaders are arriving. I believe that another top leader is arriving over here in a short while from now. This meeting that we can see that Dharmendra Pradhan is arriving over here. Central Minister, he has landed this morning. Soon after he appointed as the Central Minister, we can see Dharmendra Pradhan is being taken inside this particular BJP headquarters in Bhubaneswar with a huge surrounded by a huge number of spectators. So as we speak, that we can see there are several other names are being considered as next chief minister. But party sources told us that they are all waiting here, eagerly waiting for the conclusion over this, this legislature meeting, in which Rajnath Singh will take the final call and all central leaders will be taken into for that meeting. So all eyes are fixed for this meeting, but there are 2 names particularly. We mentioned there are 5 names altogether, but there are 2 names they are being considered as front runner as of now.
All right. Thanks very much, Ritik, for joining us with that update. We'll keep coming across to you through this evening to get all those updates of what's playing out in the BJP huddle. So hopefully in a few hours from now, we will have clarity on who the first BJP chief minister of the state of Odisha is.